Hey guys, it's Steven with Foxtrot Family Law. Today we're going to be looking at one of the simple, straightforward, one of the few, maybe even go so far as to say easy questions that comes up in child custody cases in Alabama. So let's take a look at Avvo and see what's on tap for today. The father gets every first, third, and fifth weekend of the month. I get confused that this January 31st is a Friday and February 1st and 2nd, whose turn is it? This mother, or, I guess it could be a father. I've got full legal custody. I have one child. The father gets every first, third, and fifth weekend. I want to make sure I do the right thing this coming weekend. Okay, so yeah, rule of thumb. And listen, I don't know what county this person's in. There might be some language that is just unique to whatever county these folks are operating in. But I'm telling you, I am 98.5% confident that when you're talking about first, third, and fifth weekend, it is based off of the Friday, period. So for instance, this Friday is the 31st. If the other side's got the fifth weekend, this counts. This is the other side's weekend. This is the fifth Friday. It goes by the Friday. Friday is the one day of the weekend to rule them all. So don't even worry about, well, Saturday's the first, and no, and you're thinking too much. You're doing too much. Operate and rely on the Friday when determining what the weekend is. So while we're talking about it, let's take a look at our calendar for the year. Maybe we can even sort of lay some of this out. Looks like the 31st, yes, so January has a fifth weekend, 4 in February, 4 in March. April has, 4 in April, the 3rd, 10th, 17th, and 24th. 4 in April. May has 5 weekends. So January has 5 weekends. May has 5 weekends. What else? July has 5 weekends. So that's the next one. The 3rd, 10th, 17th, 24th, and 31st. So you're going to run into that same issue in July. So that 31st, that's the fifth weekend. But then again, you know what? Never mind. You're probably on some sort of summer schedule by that point anyway. Never mind. Well, for the record, it's got 5 weekends. August. Okay, so August, you're probably back in school 4 weekends. But I guess that might come into play because don't think that July 31st is the first weekend of August. It's the fifth weekend of July. So maybe that is relevant now that I think about it. September has 4 weekends. October has 5 weekends. October. So January, May, July, October in our running tally here. And right, December only has 4. So there you go. What did we determine? A, that the Friday determines the weekend and what number the weekend is. What day and what month does the Friday fall? Okay. Second thing, we're looking at January, May, July, and I think it was, yes, October. All of those are the 5 weekend months. Whether that determines or affects or matters because of summer visitation or otherwise, I can't say. I'm not looking at your order, but those are all the fifth weekends. So best of luck with it. Great question. Man, what a fantastic, timely, awesome question. And I'm so glad we got the chance to answer it here on Avvo. So check that out. Avvo, if you haven't already visited avvo.com. Great questions like this. Other great questions in other great fields of law answered by other great lawyers. So check that out. If you like what we're doing here on our page, be sure to like, comment, or subscribe. And if you'd actually like some more detailed information about your unique circumstances in child custody situation, you can certainly book a consultation right from our website. You don't have to talk to anybody. It connects right to our calendars, mine, Gillian's, Josh's. You can hop right on our calendar for your initial consultation to be more effective in your child custody case. Look forward to hearing from you.